Welcome to our Finance YouTube channel. Our goal is to provide you with valuable information and tips to help you take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. We understand that managing your finances can be overwhelming and sometimes feel impossible, but we're here to help you understand the basics and give you the tools you need to make smart financial decisions. In this video, we'll be covering a wide range of topics related to personal finance, including budgeting. We'll be discussing the importance of creating a budget and how it can help you manage your money better. We'll also be providing tips and strategies for sticking to your budget and making the most of your money. Saving and investing. We'll be discussing the importance of saving and investing for the future and how it can help you achieve your financial goals. We'll also be providing an overview of different investment options such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Credit and debt management. We'll be discussing the importance of managing your credit and debt and how it can affect your financial well-being. We'll also be providing tips and strategies for reducing debt, improving credit score, and avoiding common credit pitfalls. Retirement planning. We'll be discussing the importance of planning for retirement and how it can help you secure your financial future. We'll also be providing an overview of different retirement savings options, such as 401(k), IRAs, and annuities. Financial products and services. We'll be providing an overview of different financial products and services, such as bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and insurance. We'll also be discussing how these products and services can help you achieve your financial goals. Additionally, we'll be providing tips and strategies for building and maintaining good credit, as well as for achieving financial goals. We'll be providing you with easy-to-understand information and practical tips to help you take control of your finances. We'll also be discussing trending financial topics and keeping you updated with the latest trends and techniques in the field of finance. Our channel is perfect for anyone looking to improve their financial literacy, whether you're a student, a new grad, or a seasoned professional. We'll also be discussing various financial goals like buying a house, starting a business, traveling, and retirement planning. So, join us on this journey to financial freedom, subscribe to our channel, and be sure to tune in for our regularly scheduled videos. We invite you to leave comments and ask questions. We're here to help you achieve your financial goals.